In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Zoho Desk Org ID. Whether you're setting up integrations or managing your configurations, knowing where to locate this ID is crucial for smooth operation. Let's dive in and walk through the process together, step by step. First, you'll want to log into your Zoho Desk portal. If you're already a Zoho Desk user, this should be familiar territory. Just head over to the Zoho Desk website and use your credentials to sign in. If for any reason you encounter issues logging in, double-check that your username and password are correct, and ensure that your internet connection is stable to avoid any hiccups. Once you've successfully logged in, the next step is to head over to the Setup section. You'll find a Setup icon, which looks like a small gear, located in the top right corner of your screen. Clicking on this will open up a menu that gives you access to various configuration options. This icon is your gateway to accessing many powerful tools that help you customize and control your Zoho Desk experience more effectively. Now, in this Setup menu, look for the section that says Developer Space. Within Developer Space, you're going to find an option labeled APIs. Select this because it leads you exactly where you need to be. The developer space is particularly useful for those who need to interact with Zoho Desk programmatically or through integrations, so it's a good area to familiarize yourself with if you haven't already. In the APIs section, you'll be looking for a part called the API Plan Details. This is where Zoho Desk provides comprehensive information about your API interactions, including the highly important Org ID. The Org ID, short for Organization ID, is a unique identifier for your Zoho Desk account, which is used in API calls and other back-end processes. In the API Plan Details, you should easily spot your Org ID. It's typically presented in a straightforward manner, so it shouldn't take long to identify once you're there. And that's it. You've now successfully located your Zoho Desk Org ID. With this ID in hand, you can proceed confidently with any integrations you need to set up or administrative tasks that require this information. Remember, having this Org ID readily accessible ensures you can efficiently manage your Zoho Desk operations. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial. I hope this guide has made the process clear and easy for you to follow. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out in the comments or visit the Zoho support pages for more detailed help. Happy navigating, and see you in the next video.